Paul from Pilates Pilates and Yoga Teacher training here in Devon. And this particular video is on equestrian Pilates, equine Pilates, horse Pilates, whatever you want to call it. That's for the rider, by the way, not the horse. This movement is half roll back. Just added a little something in it which is slightly more relevant for horse riders, or we'll go for anyone, to be honest. Yeah, because you add a little bit of contrology into it. I'll do a demonstration and I'll explain, not too much to explain. So, you're sitting tall, your legs straight, feet flexed back, you're sitting on your sit bones, as you should be in your saddle. You're sitting lovely flat back. I might need to possibly bring my head back into a chin tuck. Now if you bring your head back, try not to do that. Try and actually chin tuck it back if you need to. The mirror's a good training partner. As flat back as you can. Now I'm not going to fixate too much on breath. In an ideal world, I'll be going down on an exhale, using the abdominal muscles. Now, the hands, you can make it a bit more technical. I've just got them level with my hips, to be honest with you. You can have them 5 or 6 inches apart. The aim is with this one, so you're just taking the tension just about on the springs. The aim is for the movement to come from the elbow, not the rest of the body. So in other words, as you use your abdominal muscles to tilt the pelvis back, put a curve, so you've got a nice gentle curve, nice C curve in that spine. And the aim is, you don't want these to move at all. You don't want your hands to go up or down, and you don't want to bring your elbows back. You want the movement to come from the elbows, obviously, as well as the spine. So as you articulate the spine down, you're trying to keep them, that's where the mirror comes in handy. You're trying to keep the handles level. The movement wants to come from the elbows, until you're down as far as the arms will out nice and straight. So you've got all that movement in the elbows, not transmitted to the reins and to the horse, or in this case to the handles and to the tower on the reformer. And then again, you just articulate the spine up, trying to keep those wrists locked, trying not to transmit anything into the handles and into the springs. Trying to keep them as parallel as you can. I've come away from 5 to 6 inches on my naughty, so that's something else you can focus on as well. And if you really wanted to take the stage further, which I'd like to, I'll probably put a level across there. Really try and focus on keeping the hands level as well. So you don't want them to go up or down, you don't want to go this way, front and back, neither do you want one higher or the other higher or lower. So a little spirit level across there, that's how I thought I'd take it if I was particularly into horse riding myself. So you don't want to generate any force, the elbow does the work. Well, that's the skill there. Keep the forearms as still, the wrists and hands as still as you can. Restack the spine, sitting tall, check your posture. I possibly need to come up a little bit more and bring the head back a little bit. Shoulders are back and down. And that's the half roll back. That particular one is designed for horse riders. Thank you for watching. My name is Paul from Pilates Pilates and Yoga Teacher Training.